Hey, let's learn about Georgia's different habitats. There are several different habitats in Georgia. The Atlantic Ocean habitat is on Georgia's coast. The Atlantic Ocean is along the east coast. The Atlantic Ocean is its own habitat, meaning it is home to several different living things, different plants, and animals. Animals like whales, fish, crabs, and different crustaceans that all are adapted to live in the ocean. Take this octopus, for example. It is adapted to life in the ocean, swimming around, and it can actually camouflage itself to hide on the ocean floor. Here, watch this really cool video. That was pretty cool, huh? The fish live, eat, and hide among the plant life in the ocean. Like in these pictures, there are many hundreds of animals and plant life, and they all need this habitat to survive. Here are more cool pictures of animals in their habitat of the Atlantic Ocean. Now, you have seen just a few organisms that live in the ocean. There is so much to learn about the ocean and the creatures that habitat there. Isn't it fun learning about science? Go see what else lives in Georgia's different habitats.
1, 2, 3.
Cause I was made of this earth, I'm born of this earth, I breathe of this earth, and even with the pain, I believe in this earth. So I wake up every morning and I'm stepping on the floor. I wake up every morning and I'm stepping out the door. I got faith in the sky, faith in the one, faith in the people rocking underneath the sun. Cause every bit of land is a whole